My name is Kevin Swanquist. I'm a 2008 graduate of the School of Hospitality Business. I work for Harper Associates as an executive recruiter. So the experience at MSU is really what you want to make out of it, both professional, personal, and career development. There's really something for everybody, whether you want to pursue a career in restaurants, there's a club for that. Country clubs, there's a club for that. Hotels, there's a club for that.
I graduated with a degree in the business school at Michigan State, and it was called the Hotel, Restaurant, and Institutional Management. So my career started in the hotel industry, working for Holiday Inn. My career from there ventured into the revenue management world. So my favorite part about the program is that they required you to have 800 hours of work experience. That got me started in my Holiday Inn career.
Well, I spent 87 years in the hotel business. I was Senior Vice President of Development for Sheraton, which was mainly franchising. And since that time, and even since I got out of school, the most enjoyable moments probably has been with other Michigan State alumni. So I pretty much owe a lot of the most important and most enjoyable parts of my life to Michigan State. And I'm very proud that I'm a Spartan.